Let's be honest, how many times have you looked in the mirror after you put on an outfit and you felt fine? Like you weren't excited and you were just like, it's something I put on and throw out the door. Let's move on with the day. And then the rest of the day, you're going to just feel like whatever. Here's the truth. You deserve better. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to start taking your wardrobe seriously, how to start investing in pieces that mean a lot to you, and how to elevate your style this upcoming year. Because you are worth it. Let's dive into it. Before we get started, I actually want to thank Quince. They have sent me some pieces I'm styling in this video. Thank you so much. I am thrilled to be working with a brand that's not only cost effective, but also does care a lot about the environment and the audience and the people who buy their clothes. Huge fan, have worked with them before. Half of my closet basically belongs to them because they make such great things, and I am slowly becoming a minimalist who only wants to buy high quality things. So thank you so much, Quince. Let's talk about the 3 reasons why I think that we settle with our wardrobes. 1, we think we are too busy to put the effort and time in. I would love to debunk this, mostly because looking well, dressing well, looking your best, sometimes when you are busy but you are looking great, it can actually be more energizing. Have you ever been at work and things are busy, but they're good busy and you're feeling good about yourself and the productivity you're bringing to the table? This is what I want. I don't want you to be so busy that you're like, I feel like I look like garbage. Everything is stressful. I forgot deodorant. You want to go for a more polished vibe that's busy instead of a very hectic vibe. When you own the right pieces, getting ready is actually easier, not harder. Number 2, we fall for fast fashion. Fast fashion is obviously just throwing money away. It's just buying a bunch of polyester stuff that's not going to survive one dryer cycle. This exact sweater I've thrown to the dryer several times. I know I'm not supposed to, but it has survived each time. Sometimes even when I'm in a rush and I don't want to steam it or iron it, I will just throw it into the dryer for 5 minutes. But that's something to be said about the resilience of clothes. You want your clothes to work for you, not against you. A lot of clothes nowadays, because we're trying to cut costs on everything, they're ill-fitting, they're made with poor materials, they probably are made with slave labor and have no labor practices put into place. You want your clothes to be much more elegant and you want them to be something that work with you, it's not against you. And fast fashion is for sure working against you. 3, we don't invest in ourselves. I have this theory that sometimes people like being miserable, not me. It can feel indulgent to buy higher quality things, buy things that are made with real silk or wool, or buying things that are going to last you a long time. Think of your wardrobe and investing your time and your energy into your wardrobe as a form of self-care. Do you ever feel like you've walked into your closet and felt like you were just settling with no matter what you put on? Tell me in the comments down below, because I've felt that so many times in my life and I would love to hear where you are at in your journey. All right, let's talk about how to level up. These steps will help you build a strong wardrobe starting today. Step 1, purge what is not serving you. I'm not saying you have to declutter and take everything out of your closet. I think you just need to take the things out of your closet that are not serving you. I have a lot of pieces that I liked in a moment, but my body's different now. Who I am as a person is different now. My priorities are different now. It's not serving me and it's just taking up hanger space. And that is where I just will donate it. I will give it away. I will give it to someone that I care about or I love and be like, do you want this? If you don't want this, I'm throwing it away. A lot of times I've gotten some amazing pieces from girlfriends when we've done clothing swaps where I will just FaceTime them and be like, okay, I'm purging my closet, and she'll be purging her closet, and we'll like, do you want this? Do you want this? And surprisingly, you'd be shocked by how many things that you'll want from your friend's closet and vice versa. But the things that don't work for you, find a way to donate them or repurpose them. I have a lot of promotional t-shirts that are now rags I use to clean my house. Step 2, invest in timeless staples. Instead of buying into trends, invest in timeless staples that will last you a long time. For example, these wool trousers are something that I invested in that will last me a very long time. They're elegant, they're versatile, they're breathable, they're made with 100% Italian wool. They pair so well with like a simple sweater or a blouse for dinner. It goes from environment to environment, and it does feel like something that will last me a very long time. I want it to feel like I'm investing in myself and investing in my wardrobe, and I want that to be something that I think about older me. Like Alexandra, a decade from now, would she be happy that we add this to our wardrobe? There's a really good chance that you are going to put down a lot of really terrible pieces of clothing if you think about her. Step 3, add pieces that feel luxurious. The feeling of good clothing can take you so far. You want your wardrobe to make you feel amazing. It's not doing it for other people. It's not looking it for other people. It's about feeling good for you. Your wardrobe should make you feel good about yourself. For example, I love this silk dress, especially because I could throw it into the wash and I won't ruin it, especially someone who hates going to the dry cleaner. I love this dress. I love that I can wear it with knee-high boots and wear it a little bit more casually, going out with cocktails, or I can wear it out to dinner and make it an evening look. This dress is something that I have found to take me from environment to environment, to take me from party to party. It is something that makes me feel so luxurious. Number 4. Find the combinations that work for you. That means color combinations. That means style combinations. A style combination that I've been really into has been shorts or short dresses and boots, as seen as the previous clip. I love that look. I find that it's just fun. It's very 1960s, which is my go-to era when it comes to clothing that I'm obsessed with. But it's something that I really love, and it's a combination that I know I'm going to feel comfortable in. So as I'm adding things to my closet, I go for the combinations that work for me. Some combinations that do work well for me are shorts, short dresses, tall boots, pleated trousers with tank tops or tees even, jeans and boots that with a long coat to kind of elevate that look. Just finding the combinations that work for you and dive into that. Know what makes you feel your best and keep investing in that. Keep going towards that. Try out new things that are going to make you feel excited, but really spend the bulk of your focus on what you know what works. And as you are trying new things, think about how you can incorporate those things into your wardrobe in the future. I never thought that I would love cowboy boots, but I love cowboy boots now for some reason. 5, focus on how versatile pieces can be. Versatility is key. Invest in accessories that are going to last you a long time. For me, it's actually these earrings. I wear these all the time, but also a really nice bag. You want something that's going to be chic and functional and works from everything from day to night. So I have a work bag that I'm obsessed with. Then I have this night bag that I love that is something that I just carry around with me, and it surprisingly works with a lot of my wardrobe. A bag like this can add a little bit of polish and a little bit of intrigue to an outfit that could be really simple. The thing about bags is that you don't want to go for the most expensive bag possible. You want something that's going to work really well. If you are someone who loves designer bags, go for it. But for me, I want something that's going to last me a really long time, that I feel comfortable buying, and I don't have to stress about my credit card bill after I purchase it, which is why I went for this one. I want something that would make me feel like I can wear it a lot, and I would definitely get a really good cost per wear out of it. So going for bags that fit with your wardrobe and work with you, not against you. Number 6, take care of your wardrobe. Respect your wardrobe and take good care of it. Good maintenance means that it'll last a lot longer. For me, that means really taking things to the dry cleaner when they're meant to be dry cleaned, taking my shoes to cobbler, polishing my leather pieces, shaving down sweaters when it's time. You want your clothes to look fresh and last longer. So when you're buying these elevated pieces because you've abandoned a fast fashion, you want to make sure that you're investing the time and effort and energy into it. When you take your wardrobe seriously, you are not just upgrading your style. You're upgrading how you feel and take care of yourself. A great outfit can really do wonders for you, not for anyone else. It can make you bring your best self on a daily basis. You want to boost your confidence, you want to save time, and you want to feel like the best version of you, especially as this year is coming up. So do that by making sure that when you are adding things to your wardrobe, they reflect that version and not a version of you that you don't love. So the next time you are shopping, keep in mind that you deserve better. Choose pieces that you love that will last you for many years. Choose things that make you feel confident and good about yourself. Choose high quality fabrics and high quality pieces that you know are going to last you a long time. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.